Sweet. Hey guys. For my serious game, I chose World of Warcraft. Traditionally, probably not a serious game. There is some very good elements to it that would suggest that it can very well definitely make a serious game. There's heaps of numbers involved. Up here you have like health bars and stuff. Down low you got like experience bars. Uh, Tasks right off the top of my head would be you've done like 17,840 worth of experience. How much longer until you reach the next level, which would be subtraction. Mathematics based question. You could do another one where it's like rate. So on average, how long does it take you to destroy an enemy? Let's see, it'll probably take a while. What else is there? There's a lot of quests and stuff which are very literacy based. So I'll show you now. So here's like your quest log. If you look in here, it'll say, you need to take down 8 of these guys, 8 of those guys. So you actually need to read the content. As you can see, did it there. You need to actually be able to read what you're attacking and know that's that. So you're actually applying the content that you're reading. So it means that you're actually using the literacy skills. There's also a strong mapping element. I don't know. Some of the quests will say you need to go east along the coast to get to this point. So there is definitely like a strong geography-based learning content thing you could do there. Do this quest, and it could cover so many literacy, geography type questions. I think the fact that the potential for the learning area content is so broad does make it a good serious game. If you're actually making sure the students are using it to complete those tasks and not just messing around. I'd also think it'd be good because it has strong cooperative elements, so you can have all your students playing together, helping each other, completing tasks, so learning off each other, just getting help from each other, stuff like that. But yeah, that's it. Cheers.